bado wako kwa ile maisha ya zamani, wale watawasikia sababu wanajua wao wamewahi kukua hapo pia. So in fact I want to urge the government that apart from just using force and the might of the gun in trying to resolve and the challenges of security around this region, to think of better ways of collaborating with the church so that there can be long-lasting peace that will yield lives not only on heaven but also on earth here, so that people can enjoy peace.
The few people that wanaishi hiyo beto wapewa bunduki, sometimes they think as a way of balance, itoe yote na rais alisema hivyo, ama ipatie wote so that kila mtu a balance your power. Otherwise we always feel insecure. The government does not treat us the same.
Haya, nao atongoria